Your dishwasher might not be broken at all. If it smells bad, drains slowly, or leaves food on your dishes, there's a hidden filter most people never clean. That filter traps grease and debris, and once it clogs up, the whole machine starts acting like it's failing. Subscribe for simple repair videos that save you money before you call a pro. Let's walk through this step by step. Step 1. Turn off your dishwasher and pull out the bottom rack so you can fully access the base. Step 2. Look at the bottom center of the tub. You should see a round or cylindrical filter assembly. Step 3. Twist the filter counterclockwise and slowly lift it out. Step 4. Check the filter for grease, food buildup, or sludge. Step 5. Rinse it under warm water and gently scrub with a soft brush. Step 6. Clean inside the housing and remove any debris underneath. Step 7. Reinstall the filter and lock it back into place. Step 8. Run a short cycle and check for improved performance. If that fixed it, that's one of the easiest service calls you just avoided. Subscribe for more simple fixes like this.